Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode right, this cool amazing product right here in my hand, if you can see. Basically what this is an electric toothbrush that's in use. The one that we have right here is from the brand right here on top. And this is the E10. So what's really cool about this toothbrush is the fact that it has a lot of different features on here. So it does have a smart timer option. It has 5 different modes on here. So usually it's like the white mode, the cleaning mode, the soft mode, the sensitive mode, and everything else. It also has a low power reminder, so if it's on low on power or anything, it has a little indicator to let you guys know. And it has a fast sustained charge, so if you guys want to charge the device, it charges really fast and safe way that's protected. And if you guys look on the back side right here, some information about their actual toothbrush itself. So that's basically what the product looks like. Let's open up and see what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when we first open up, this is basically what it looks like right here. So the first thing we can see right here is the actual cable itself that's need to use to charge it. So this is the cable that they use right here. I love how it's nicely wrapped with a little wrapper right here. So that way you can keep everything organized. And then inside they do provide you guys some extra toothbrush heads itself. So they provide you guys 1, 2, and 3 inside this box right here. But I'm pretty sure they have more in the actual other boxes here. So here's the other box that actually have the other toothbrush heads. Alright, so that's what it looks like inside. So we counted 3 at first. Here's 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And on one of them, they actually have the cover for the actual toothbrush right here. You guys can see. So you probably want to open up this one first to use this one, so it has a little cap right here to protect it for any kind of germs or water that gets onto the actual toothbrush itself. And then right here we have the actual toothbrush right here. But before I show you guys that, I want to show you guys what else is provided for you guys in here. So this is actually pretty cool how they provide you guys this tongue scraper right here. So this one's a little bit different than the other ones that I use. So the other one that I have is just like you scrape it with one hand like this. This one you guys use 2 hands, so I guess you guys want to put your tongue in the middle right here and start scraping like this. So that way you guys can get rid of any like germs or bacteria on your tongue. And these tongue scrapers are actually really useful, and a lot of people are starting to use it nowadays. So I definitely recommend getting a tongue scraper in general. And then in the bottom they do provide you guys the instruction manual to teach you guys how to use it and all the different functionality that's on here. So now let's actually take a look at the toothbrush. Alright, so as you see it's well protected and everything. And this is basically what the toothbrush looks like right here, if it's in same. So you just want to insert the actual toothbrush head right here. They have the little brand logo right there. Right here is the activation button right here to turn on. As in here, it's really strong. If you guys want to change it to different modes, just press this button again. So the 5 different modes that they have right here is a white mode, a clean mode, a sensitive mode, a polish mode, and a massage mode. And just by using the product itself right now without actually putting it into my teeth, I can definitely feel that it's really strong. So I can definitely see and feel how it actually would kind of help clean your teeth, because it definitely has that kind of like strong impact or whatever with the strength and vibration. And then the bottom part right there, you can see that that's where you plug in the cable to recharge it. And that's basically everything that's on the product itself. So one thing that I do want to mention about the product is the fact that it definitely feels really nice when you actually use it. It has a very nice kind of like grip to it and actually feels really comfortable. And this toothbrush is waterproof, so you just want to like rinse it or wash it every time you guys finish brushing your teeth. You definitely can, which I'll show you guys in a second. But then actually open up the actual toothbrush head first to show you what it actually looks like and put it together. So I'm going to open the one with the actual cap on it. So we just pull open right here like this. This is basically what the cap looks like, as you can see. So all you guys need to do is just push it in all the way like this. And then just start using it. But obviously I just want to move this part here first. Alright, so I just rinsed the actual toothbrush head itself a little bit. Now let me try it out and show you guys what it actually looks like and how it feels. So I want to use it on the strongest one, which is the white mode. So it's on now. So definitely from using it, it definitely feels really strong. It has a really strong vibration on it. But I can definitely feel like the little impact on my teeth as well when I'm using it. So I can definitely feel that it's actually cleaning really well. Obviously right now I don't have any like toothpaste on it. But just by testing it using the actual toothbrush itself, I can definitely feel how like well or how strong the vibration is to help clean your teeth. So the product itself definitely works really well. And since this has a smart timer, you just have to keep brushing it or keep leaving it on your teeth until it actually turns off by itself. And that's how you guys know when you guys are fully done brushing your teeth. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let's go do a quick test of the product itself with the waterproof and everything, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got a portable charger right here. Let's test it out. Alright, so we have it plugged in, if it didn't see. So there's the indicator light right there to show you guys when it's charging. If you guys can see, it's like kind of like blinking a little bit or going like a slow blinking, like up and down. So that's how you guys know when it's charging, and when it's fully charged, that light should light up or should stop blinking like that. Alright, so we're gonna do the quick water resistant or waterproof test. Alright, so when we use this part, obviously it's gonna be waterproof, but this part right here, you guys can see that it comes off really easily. Same thing for the bottom part, you guys don't get water in there as well. It should be fine. You guys can see that it does work. So the actual product itself is fully waterproof, even if water gets in here. Just make sure that if you guys do get water in here, let it fully dry first before plugging in to charge it. So the product itself does work and it is waterproof. And obviously, since it is waterproof or water resistant, that doesn't mean you guys want to just throw this into like the ocean or throw this in the tub of water and let it drain in water. But if you guys want to use it for showering or whatever, you definitely can. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick waterproof test and everything on the product itself. You guys can see that actually does work and works quite well. Super easy to use, especially even like charging the product. All you need to do is plug in the cable and recharge it, if you guys saw. But after doing a quick unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that any kind of electric toothbrush or any kind of like tongue scraper are really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.